Okay. All right. So now we can see the chart, I believe. All right. I really hope this looks okay. Anyway, I couldn't record this trade actually live as the market was moving because the mic wasn't working for some reason. I don't know what be going on with this mic situation. So as the market was opening, right, 2 minutes left. It is May 15th, 2026. And it's right before the market is opening. What I'm looking for is some type of sell option, right? Or sell opportunity. That's what I'd be looking for because the 200 is above the 20, and already that gives me the signal for some type of move downward. So that's what I was looking forward to as the market was opening. It's Friday. It's been kind of a whack week, if you ask me. I think I blew an account a couple of days ago. I lost $80 on my personal account yesterday. So, it was an all right week. But still came in today like I do every other day and act like I said, didn't not act like it didn't happen, but you know, come with a clear mind of all right, from now on, threes if I'm feeling real nice and I got two in a row, and then I probably lower my risk a little bit. All right, that's really the main idea. So as we approach the market with this tap in right here, I was hoping it would close um, above the 200, but it didn't, right? But that was my initial synopsis was to close. But of course, jumping in a little too early is it sucks, right? Or jumping in too late, which I did there. A little too late. Saw some green, but this big blue candle definitely was giving some strength on it, right? So I said, okay, all right, let's just wait a little bit. Let's see what happens. And I'll jump in again. This time, kind of the same area that I jumped the first time, but I like how it attacked. I should have waited the first time for it to come up and then down. But I gave it a strength of if I lose another 300, I'm totally done for the day. But that would have been within the first minute of the market, right? So I was okay with that. Get in, get out. I've been up for hours now. I can do other things. But I'm saying if I can get it down to the 20 moving average, which is the red line, I'll be satisfied. Much because I knew after this I was going to be done anyway. But I was hoping it would jump down to the 20. But I got a little excited. I trailed it, and I really wanted to grab that 20 moving average. And it didn't. It did eventually, but at that moment, it did not. And I was okay with that, right? Because now I'm back in profit. I'm actually up, right? Um, so I was okay with that. But you see, it was playing, tinkering around the 29 200 mark, which, I didn't even realize that. I wasn't even paying attention to that, factor as well, that it could bounce from that pretty tough. But I ended up being up 415. I was proud of the trade and decided to shut it down, right? And I even waited to see what was going to happen on the next candle. And then on the next candle, obviously, it eventually tapped into that 20 moving average, and it kept going down, right? So if anyone did catch this and was trading up to 200, or I don't know what other averages anybody else uses, but only use 20 and 50 on the 200, and I shorted it. It's I should have had an order in, but it's okay. I trade how I trade, and it did exactly what I was hoping it would do. All right, it worked out. Easy morning. I can go wash my car or something. What is it? At currently at filming this video was 9:47. All right, so it took me 20 minutes to do this. It's not bad. It's an eval. I don't get excited about evals, but you do get excited about making a trade, right? You place your trade. It worked out. And you did exactly what you said you're gonna do. That's the joy of it, right? You can go on and do something else. But the trade worked out, and it was fun as always. Enjoy your Friday. Stay fit. Share this video. Like this video. Come back. We'll be here next week. All right. Peace out. Stay fit.